What if I told you that you don't need a big garden? You don't need expert-level plant knowledge. And you definitely don't need years of experience to grow flowers that can fill your entire home with rich, natural fragrance for years, not just weeks. Imagine having plants that don't just bloom once and disappear, but come back again and again every single season, growing stronger over time without demanding constant attention or complicated care. It sounds unrealistic at first, almost too good to be true, but the truth is, it's not. Today, I'm going to show you 7 powerful perennial fragrant plants that grow beautifully in pots, making them perfect even for small spaces like balconies, windows, or tiny corners of your home. And here's the surprising part. These plants were already being used by our ancestors long before fertilizers, gardening apps, or modern techniques even existed. People relied on them naturally, and they worked. So stay with me till the end, because plant number 7 has something that modern science has recently confirmed. It can directly influence your brain in a way no artificial air freshener ever can. And one of these plants is so simple to grow that once you see it, you'll understand why it existed in almost every traditional home. Let's begin. Jasmine is where it all starts. Before luxury perfumes and before chemical fragrances ever existed, there was jasmine. This plant has been cultivated for over 3,000 years across regions like Persia, India, and South Asia, later becoming a part of royal gardens and peaceful courtyards. But it wasn't grown just for beauty. Ancient healers used jasmine to calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and create emotional balance. Now here's the surprising part. Modern science has confirmed what people already knew centuries ago. Jasmine contains natural compounds like linalool that help lower heart rate, reduce stress hormones, and relax the nervous system. This isn't just tradition, it's biology. Growing jasmine in a pot is simple. Give it sunlight or partial shade, water it moderately, and provide support so it can climb. Once it settles, it blooms every summer and releases its strongest fragrance in the evening. With light trimming after flowering, it comes back even stronger the next year. It's not just a plant, it grows with you over time. Next comes scented geranium, and this is not the common type you see everywhere. This is its older, stronger, and far more fragrant version. Originally from South Africa, it became a favorite in traditional herbal gardens for a very unique reason. You don't even need its flowers. Just touching its leaves releases fragrance instantly. And not just one scent. Depending on the variety, it can smell like rose, lemon, mint, or even warm, spicy notes like nutmeg. For centuries, people used it to naturally scent clothes, keep insects away, and even create fragrant water. Today, research shows its essential oils may help reduce anxiety and mental fatigue. Growing it is extremely easy. Keep it in full sun, water only when the soil dries out, and it requires almost no maintenance. Even better, you can grow new plants just by cutting a small piece and planting it in soil. One plant quickly becomes many, giving you continuous fragrance, greenery all year, and unlimited expansion. Then we have the miniature rose, a plant that is more than just a flower. It's a piece of history. Roses appear in ancient Egyptian art and were widely used by Greek and Roman cultures. Now, you can enjoy the same beauty and fragrance in a compact pot. Miniature roses offer the same rich scent and classic elegance, but in a size that fits small spaces. Modern research suggests that rose aroma can support emotional balance, reduce stress, and promote a calm state of mind. To grow them properly, they need at least 6 hours of sunlight, good drainage, and light feeding once a month. Regularly removing faded flowers encourages continuous blooming. What most people don't realize is that a well-maintained mini rose can live for over 10 years in a pot. That's a decade of fragrance from a single plant. Heliotrope is one of those plants whose scent feels familiar but hard to describe. It carries a deep, sweet fragrance, often compared to vanilla mixed with almonds. In the 19th century, this plant was used as a base ingredient in expensive perfumes before synthetic scents existed, making it a symbol of luxury. Even its name tells a story. Helio means sun and trope means turning, because the plant naturally follows the sun throughout the day. Growing heliotrope is simple. Place it in full sunlight, water it moderately, and ensure proper drainage. It blooms throughout summer and fills the air with a warm, comforting fragrance that often surprises people when they first notice it. Night-blooming jasmine is completely different. During the day, it looks ordinary, almost unnoticeable, but at night, everything changes. It releases one of the strongest fragrances in the plant world, powerful enough to fill an entire balcony or even spread throughout a home. This unique behavior evolved to attract night pollinators. For centuries, people used it as a natural time indicator and planted it around homes for its presence and protection. In warm climates, it grows quickly, needs regular watering, and prefers a larger pot. In colder seasons, it may lose leaves, but it comes back stronger in spring. It requires very little effort but delivers an unforgettable experience. Once you smell it at night, it stays with you. Gardenia is often called the queen of white flowers, and for good reason. Its fragrance is rich, creamy, and slightly spicy, one of the most luxurious natural scents you can experience. In ancient China and Japan, it symbolized peace, clarity, and refined thinking. Monks grew it in quiet spaces to create calm environments. Modern findings suggest its scent can help relax the nervous system and reduce stress. However, this plant does require attention. It needs slightly acidic soil, clean water, humidity, and bright but indirect light. It's not the easiest plant to grow, but the reward it offers is unmatched. The effort you put in comes back as one of the most powerful natural fragrances you'll ever have at home. Finally, rosemary. This is not just a cooking herb. It is one of the oldest plants used by humans. It was used by Greeks, Romans, and even medieval monks for memory, rituals, and mental clarity. Today, science confirms something fascinating. Rosemary contains a compound called cineol, which may help improve memory, focus, and mental speed. This plant doesn't just smell good, it actively interacts with your brain. Growing it is incredibly easy. Place it in full sunlight, water it very little, and it can even thrive in poor soil. In fact, the biggest mistake people make is overcaring for it. Rosemary thrives on neglect. The less you interfere, the better it grows year after year. If this opened your eyes and showed you that you don't need space, money, or experience to create a home filled with natural fragrance, then take a moment and reflect. Which of these plants surprised you the most? And be honest, have you been spending money on artificial fragrances without realizing that nature solved this problem thousands of years ago? Share this with someone who needs it, because these plants are still here, still growing, still waiting. The only question is, will you grow them?